back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. Hope you guys are doing amazing. It's my first day today in Bahrain. I landed yesterday. If you haven't watched my vlog, watch that. There was a lot of shenanigans after I landed. Literally did not expect it. I'm talking really fast so that you cannot hear the music in the background because I'm playing songs with my mom. We're dancing and it's Friday. You know I'm not going to be staying home. It's city center time, baby. I can't wait to go to city center. Anyways, so the plan is mom and I are going to city center, having some daughter mom day, and we're going to shop. And also there's this really famous movie which is Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani. If you haven't watched it, everyone's review is good, so I'm also going to watch it and I'm really excited. Okay, now I'm done talking. I'm going to get ready now. So I'm doing a voiceover just because the music is super loud and I don't want to get copyrighted, but I'm wearing this short, the shirt and the tank top. What, Chumka? Hi guys, Barbie who? Okay, so I'm all dressed. I'll show you guys my fit in a while. I have to book an Uber now because Star's not there to drive us, or even the car's not there. I'm so excited to go to city center. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. White tank top from American Eagle. The shirt that I got from the sale, Peacock Place. Shorts are the same. Coach bag. Nike shoes. This is my fit. Oh my god, I miss this mirror so much. Hi, Mama. We're booking a show of 5:15 p.m. because Dad's gonna come. He's gonna play cricket. Friday rituals. So till then, we're gonna go book first and then shop, eat, and ourselves. Oh my god, hi. The worst part about sitting on these sofas is you can't get up once you sit. Oh my god, slay. Guys. Hi. I'm back. Oh my god, notice sale. उधर भी देखो sale, इधर भी देखो sale, 70% sale. So we have reached city center. First we'll go and book the ticket. Guys, when did Vogue Cinema change? What? Hello? What is this? Huh? Oh yeah, tickets and food. Huh? I'm not going yourself the tickets. You're supposed to book the ticket. Oh, you can book it there. Mama, Ashe. Hi guys, Mama's vlogging. We cannot what? Tell, we cannot? What? Tell, we cannot book this one. Why? Because tickets are not available here. Okay. What is security code? Yengi? Sangi Okay, we got a ticket. We booked our tickets for 5:15 p.m. show, so we're gonna come later on. Now we're gonna go and roll. We're in Sharab DJ because while sleeping, your girl has this habit of hearing music. She's learning from her elder sister. She's always. Agi's footsteps. She also hears music. Even I took it. And Mama today saw me put music in here, and she was like, "Your MacBook is gonna get defected." So I had to get a speaker with Bluetooth stuff. Actually, there's nothing fascinating, and even in Center Point, I don't know what's with the fashion sense over here. Not liking any of it. Yekasha. Oh, मैंने yellow चश्मा, oh मैंने पीला चश्मा.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Oh my god, guys, I cannot move my neck. I feel like there's this, like, I slept in a position that, you know, my neck is just jammed in a place and it hurts so bad. But we're getting out of Center Point now. There was nothing in Center Point to get. I saw this white skirt, but thick ass community, so that's not going to fit me for sure. Okay, we have come to Home Center. Why? Because we just need a trolley. Because we cannot take the Center Point trolley. That's why we came to Home Center to take the trolley. How is it? Nice. Now we are sitting on a sofa here, guys, which is so nice and so comfortable. Guys, you all think that I dress for others, but no, I dress for myself. So I can look at mirrors like these and just flaunt my fit and feel good that I wore such a good fit. What we do? The only problem with shopping on Fridays is we'll shop, but today Dada's coming for watching movie, and we had things. So what do we do? Dada's gonna come. We cannot get this. But look at this. We have so many plants at home that looks like a jungle. But this is Mustabarama. We're in Center Point, guys. Center Point. We're in Home Central, guys. Like crockeries, utensils make me excited, you know. She's getting old. Ek shaheed ho gaya, guys. My one nail just came off and I just pulled my pant up. Sucks. Okay, tarao O to X. Okay? Ready? Okay, my turn. I'm Mama playing X and O. X, your turn. खेली मम्मा ने बाजी खेली. डाले काढू ना इकडे डाले मम्मा this is cheating.
चीटिंग करता है तू. चीटिंग करता है तू.
What फायदा? No फायदा, no one wants. Once you keep the coin, you can't remove it. No, mama is cheating. अरे हंसते मम्मा. 5 साल, I mean 4 नका. Guys, we got 5 vouchers of 5 BD off, like 5 खा लिया. What is this?
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
We got 5 vouchers of 5 BD for Splash. So like we got these many. Like, can you believe it? Wow. Okay, so now from Home Center, now we're gonna have lunch because I'm hungry. Mama's hungry. It's 1:49 p.m. for lunch. Place is PF Chang's. You can see the board. So that's where I'm gonna have, because I come to Bahrain and we do not have PF Chang's. Like how? How is it possible? Hi, good afternoon. We need table for 2.
Absolutely. Just to let you know, you have the most prettiest smile.
Guys, he complimented my mom's smile. He didn't see my smile. No, but still, my mom has the prettiest smile. He's so sweet. Why? Okay, so can we get 2 dynamite shrimp? We do not want it. Slay, we ordered food. I'm so hungry. You know what? It tastes kind of like sugar cane ka juice. Yes. No? Wow. We're gonna try the greens. These are the only beans I'm ever going to love. I just know I'm missing Stavi during this because we never order we never order shrimp rolls, but then the last time we tried it, I really loved the one Stavi was having, so I've ordered this. Guys, I'm having the shrimp roll. Sorry, not sorry. I can't with chopsticks. Wow, it's so good. Okay, so after that amazing lunch, we're going to Miniso because I need to check home slippers because my mom has lost my home slippers. My mom doesn't even know where she kept it. So I need home slippers. Yeah. Okay, we're trying these. It's very big. I like big ones. You know.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
No, I like big ones. That's what she said. Oh. So what, should I go for a smaller size? This is not fair, guys. I really love these earrings. And it's written 8+. Not fair. Makazai, I'll take. There's 80% sale here. And I hope this place does not disappoint me. Okay, wait. Guess the price. And you will... No, wait. If you guess the proper price, you will buy for me.
25.
Yes.
Really?
Mama, now you have to buy.
No problem. Game khatam.
80%. They only say 80%. Oh, slay. They only say 80% here. 80% only this small section is there. After the whole store has nothing off. Like, oh wow. This is beauty. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look, Trolleys has its benefits and cons. Benefit is that you don't have to carry heavy plastics everywhere, but the con is that you can't even go inside every shop with a trolley. So I'm the security guard for the stuffs we've bought. That's why I'm waiting over here. We've come to Victoria's Secrets. Look good. Mama, how many? Okay, this is nice actually. Are we matching with Victoria? Oh, this is also very nice. Guys, if you ever purchase fragrances from Victoria's Secret, this is the best, and even Bombshell one. But this one, Very Sexy Night, this is the best one ever. Okay guys, mission is to sit on this, but I want shorts. The minute I'll sit will be very cold. Like, oh god, it's already cold. Ready? So just oh, it feels good also, but it also feels like a shiver tingling. We're waiting for Dada. He's gonna come now. So we're sitting over here. I've been tired telling my mama this for the 5th time. It's Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी. My mama, चोर और चांदनी. Rocky रानी. What? Okay guys, update. We're sitting and waiting for Dad. 5:15 we have booked Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी show. I'm really excited. Hi. I got it. Nice dress. Oh, thanks. Hi guys. Oh my god. I can see Jane. Oh shit, my phone. I don't know. How are you?
Small and
Say hi guys. Hi. Oh my god. Slay. Okay guys, so I'm in Vogue Cinema right now. Waiting to get something to eat, and look at the line, I'll show you. Look at the line, it's super long. There are 2 lines though. Dada's standing in one and I'm standing in this. Hey guys, I'm in the theater. Slay, you can't see me. Guys, I don't know if I can film. I think the movie is starting.
One espresso shot before workout, now bro.
What, Chumka? Yeah. I tried so much. What a movie! What a movie, guys! Must watch. 100 on 100. Like 120 on 100, huh? What a movie. The movie is slay. Mama, what's your thoughts on the movie? Amazing. This is like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham returned. Like, so meaningful, guys. We also cried. Like, this like Kabhi Khushi and then Kabhi Gham. Dad also cried. But Rocky Randhawa. And oh god, his outfits. Oh my god, Mama kept asking. Like, oh, his outfit. I was like, oh, this is Gucci. Oh, this is Fendi. Oh, Durga Puja dance. Oh my god. Slay. 100 on 100 more. And I'm actually wearing the clothes that I got. We didn't get a lot of things today, but I'll show you what I got. Okay, starting off, this is a dress from American Eagle. I love it. It's pretty, but yeah, it's super loose. I'll show you how the length is. Okay, so this is how the length is. It's a very cute summer dress. I love it, but the only problem is it's loose. We have this oversized checkered shirt again from American Eagle. I love it. I don't know, it's just super cute. And it is a size extra small. Can you believe it? Like, I love it though. Yeah. Next, we have from Miniso slippers. These are nice, comfortable to walk on. But like, the old slippers, it gives a different comfort. But okay, these are fine for now. Then I got these super cute earrings which I cannot wait to try. This is again from Miniso. Okay, so this is the home center one. I hope you're not that much interested to show because I cannot remove the bubble wrap and everything. But this is like a normal plate container. This is like plastic containers and we got a plastic bottle. That's it. And from Sharabdi Ji, I got myself wireless speaker with the help of USB because my mom won't allow me to use my laptop or my phone all night. And I cannot sleep, without music. Yeah, music is my muse. Okay, next we went to Victoria's Secret where we got 2 fragrances which I'll show. This is the first one, the Bombshell Intense fragrance, the red one. This is the Very Sexy Night which I told you, it's amazing. So that was all that I shopped today. It was such a fun day with mom. We watched a movie after so long in the theaters and felt so good. Please watch Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahaani if you haven't watched. It's a 10 on 10 bang on movie. We shopped. I wanted to shop after so long and I did it. And I met Jane. Oh my god, guys, I met Jane. You guys saw. We didn't like because we were running late for the movies. And we had PF Chang's. Oh my god. My mouth still waters. We couldn't even complete our food, so we parceled and now my tummy is empty. So now I'm going to have food. Mama's calling me for dinner and I'll see you guys soon, okay? So that was my fun Friday in Bahrain. There are more to come. If you guys really enjoyed watching the vlog, don't forget to hit it a big like. Don't forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to always keep smiling. I love you guys. And don't forget to stay a pyari because you are a pyari. Love you. My hand's full, so I gave you a kissy, okay? Bye.